Want smooth, high-quality recordings on a low-end PC? I'll show you the best OBS Studio recording settings for 2026, even if your computer struggles. Let's get right into it. First, go to Settings, then Output, then Recording, and switch your output mode to Advanced. For the recording format, select MKV. This is safer than MP4 if your OBS crashes. Then for the encoder, if you have an NVIDIA card, select NVENC, and for AMD users, select AV1. If you don't have either one, just stick with X264 with very fast preset. For the rate control, select CQP. This gives you constant quality and adapts to the scene's complexity. For the CQ level, if you're on NVENC or AV1, go in between 15 to 20. If you're on X264, go between 18 to 23. For the keyframe interval, set it to 2 seconds. And finally, the profile to high, so you can have those crisp visuals without the CPU stress. These settings are the foundations for smooth recordings. Now, if you want your OBS streams or audio fully optimized, grab my OBS audio presets or book a personal OBS audit. Links are in the descriptions and in the pinned comment, and I will help your setup perform perfectly for your PC. Now go to Settings, then Audio. For the sample rate, set it to 48 kHz, and for the channel, set it to stereo. For the desktop audio device, set it to your headphones, and for the microphone/aux device, set it to your microphone. Now right-click your mic and go to Filters. A few simple filters I would add is noise suppression, compressor, and limiter. These tweaks keep your recordings clean and balanced without adding a bunch of CPU load. Now go to Settings, then Video. For the base canvas resolution, match your monitor or 1280 by 720p if your PC struggles. For the output scaled resolution, 720p keeps your CPU usage low. Then for the downscale filter, bilinear is fast and light on hardware. Finally, for FPS, keep it to 30. Higher FPS looks nice, but dropped frames ruin recordings. These settings keep visuals smooth and consistent, even on weaker hardware. Next, go to Advanced Setting. For the renderer, set it to Direct3D 11. For the color format, set it to MV12. This is the best performance for recording. Then for the color space, set it to 709. And finally, for the color range, set it to full. And finally, for the process priority, set it to above normal. This gives OBS priority over other apps. These tweaks minimize CPU/GPU load and improves recording stability. If these settings are helping you, please be sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe down below, as that really helps my channel. Alright, now let's get back into the video. Now let's optimize your scene and sources for performance. Fewer sources equals smoother recordings. Avoid heavy GIFs or animated overlays. Use game capture over display capture. Preload images/videos instead of looping large files. And enable performance mode in OBS to reduce preview load. Even small adjustments here make a big difference on low-end PCs. Now, a couple more additional tips are close background apps like Chrome, Discord, or Steam. Lower output resolution if you absolutely need it. Lower your FPS to 24 if your PC can't handle 30. And make sure that your GPU drivers are updated for max efficiency. Combine these with your optimized settings for smooth, high-quality recordings. Now, before recording a whole video, be sure to do a test recording. Speak normally, move in game, and check for dropped frames or clipping. And if everything looks good, you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't already, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe down below, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.